Is you. What's wrong here? Am study is wrong. Why? You need a different helping verb. Correct mistakes. Is you tired? No. Instead, use are. Are you? Are you tired? Are you tired? I'm studying English? No. What's wrong here? Am study. Am study is wrong. Why? Because study doesn't go with am. Say, I study English. Why? Study is a base verb. Because study is a base verb, do not use am with a base verb. Are you work here? Are you work? Work. What is work again? That's a base verb. If you have a base verb to ask a question, you need a different helping verb. Use do with a base verb to ask a question. Say, do you work here? Do you work here? Do you hungry? Now again, we have you. We can say do you, but can we use it in this example? No. Say, are you hungry? Why are you hungry in this example? What is hungry? Is it a base verb? Is it a base verb? No. It is not a base verb. Hungry is an adjective. Because hungry is an adjective, we are going to use are. Are you hungry? Next. Are you see him every day? Here? Can we use are you right here? No. Say, do you? Do you see him every day? Why? Because what is see? Is it an adjective? Is see an adjective? No. See is a base verb as well. Because see is a base verb, we need to say do. Do you see him every day? He bought a new car. Now, this ed ending tells me something. What can it tell us? When you have a verb plus ed, it signals the past tense. But you can only use ed for the past tense with regular verbs. What is buy? Is it a regular verb? No. Buy is an irregular verb. Because buy is an irregular verb, we need to use a different form. The past of buy is bought. He bought a new car. He bought. You need to remember this form. He bought a new car. He bought a new car. She is manager. What's missing in this sentence? Think. You need to say she is a manager. She is a manager. When you tell who somebody is, you always need an article. I am pilot. Again, I am, who am I? Who am I? That's pilot is my occupation. You need to say a pilot. She's a manager. I am a pilot. They go home. Again, I am looking at ed. An ed ending tells me that this is probably the past tense. Now, if it is the past tense, my next question is it a regular verb? No. Go, what's the past of go? Went. The past of go is went. That's an irregular verb. So you need to say, they went home. They went home. And the last example, are you understand? So we need to fix something here. We need to look at the word understand, and that's a verb. That's a base verb. Then we are looking at this combination. Are you? Does are go with a base verb? No. To ask a question in this case, you need something else. What is it? Tell me in the comments. Thank you.